Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to program a Toyota Corolla key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program for your vehicle, including any existing ones. Make sure the driver's door is open and unlocked, while all other doors remain securely closed. It's also crucial that your ignition key is completely out of the ignition cylinder before we begin. Having everything prepared ensures a smooth programming process for all your remotes. Now let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Within 5 seconds, insert the key into the ignition cylinder and then remove it, repeating this action 2 times. Next, within 40 seconds, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Immediately after, insert the key into the ignition cylinder and remove it 1 more time. You should hear the power door lock cycle, indicating your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Then, insert the key into the ignition cylinder and close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then immediately back to OFF. Remove the key, and the door lock should cycle within 3 seconds. Now, on your remote, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds. Release. Then immediately press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once, confirming successful programming. To exit programming mode, simply open the driver's door. This action signals to the vehicle that you are finished. Now, it's time to test all your programmed key fobs to ensure they are working perfectly. Remember, if a remote's lock cycled twice during the programming step, it means it wasn't accepted, so you'll need to repeat the programming sequence for that specific fob. Always close all doors when testing your remote's lock and unlock functions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.